My name is Cheryl Beatty. I'm the general manager at Lauer Machine, and I oversee the operations of this shop. So as the general manager of Lauer, I basically am in charge of all the operations at Lauer Machine. So everything that happens here comes through me first, then it gets distributed to the floor, and the machinists then take their job and make the parts. So we have several departments here. We have turning, milling, grinding, wire EDM, which is all machine related. The different skills that people have here are mostly general machinists, but we also use tool and die, and many of which start as apprentices and then work their way up until they get their Red Seal certification, and then they're full-blown machinists. So the main industries we service are the plastic injection molding industry, automotive, aerospace, nuclear, a lot. We are a medium-sized machine shop, and we're a corporation, but we have a very family-friendly feel. We have 3 sets of fathers and sons here, and after the fathers started working here, their sons kind of came aboard and saw what they did as a job, and they got to get the opportunity to apprentice here and work their way up through the company, and now they're machinists as well. Lauer Machine is a big advocate for apprenticeships, and we love to see people grow as they get educated through the apprenticeship system on their way to become machinists. Lauer Machine also really supports the high school co-op student program, and we like to have a lot of co-op students here that are interested in the future of this trade.
I'm Danny Kiss, and I'm a machinist at Lauer Machine. I started here in high school. I was doing a high school co-op here, and then I continued working throughout that, and then once I finished high school, I just started working here full-time. And then I went to college as well, so I did 3 years there. I just finished that. I do still need to go for my Red Seal test. The best thing about working here is I get to do like new and unique challenges every day. So you know, I get a part and a traveler, and you know, I kind of gotta make my own path to make the part. And yeah, I just gotta figure all that out on my own, so I guess that's kind of fun. The nice thing about here is that we're constantly getting new equipment, so we've you know, been buying a bunch of new machines lately, and we always get new tools as well. And I get the opportunity to go to like trade shows and stuff and see like, you know, the brand new tools that are still in development and whatnot, and get to use a lot of that, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, another nice thing about working here is, you know, we're constantly getting new training as well, so I get to learn, you know, multiple machines like lathes, mills, the CMM, you know, grinding and all that. Get to do a lot of those processes here. So yeah, all of our programs are made on Mastercam, so that's it's a computer program that you use a 3D model on. You create all your tool paths on that, and then it posted as G-code, which then the machines run, and that's what they all run on. Yeah, so a unique thing about working here is I get the opportunity to work on just completely custom parts that anybody can walk in and order, like a motorcycle oil pan, or like an engine getting bored out, or just, you know, bead locks on wheels, just something totally custom. We can do that here, so that's fun as well, being in that process. Yeah, so working here has let me work a lot of overtime, and that's let me buy a house at 20 years old, and that was a pretty big accomplishment.